Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Metaplanet, the Tokyo-listed hotel firm known for its BTC acquisition strategy, has acquired 1,111 BTC for $117 million. The firm bought Bitcoin at an average price of about $105,681 per BTC. The crypto markets fell during the weekend after the US bombed several nuclear sites in Iran, pushing BTC to lows of $98,000. The latest acquisition pushes Metaplanet's total BTC stash to 11,111 BTC worth over $1.1 billion with an average buying price of $95,700. Tether has issued another $2 billion USDT on the Tron blockchain only a few days after it issued $1 billion USDT. The action is in response to Bitcoin gaining back the $100,000 after a minor slump due to geopolitical tensions. According to blockchain tracker Whale Alert, the $2 billion USDT was minted in two separate $1 billion transactions. Although the newly issued USDT will not be circulating at once, traders will interpret it as a signal of possible future market action. Historically, such mints have been followed by significant Bitcoin rallies, usually associated with greater fiat inflow and big buys on exchanges such as Bitfinex. According to recent reports, OKX, a leading global crypto exchange, is exploring the possibility of an IPO in the United States. This development has sparked an uptick in the exchange's native token, OKB. It rose 5.39%, bucking the broader market downtrend. The IPO follows the company's re-entry into the US market in April 2025. Bean Crypto reported that the exchange reached a $504 million settlement with the US Department of Justice in February. In mid-April, OKX relaunched its centralized exchange and wallet services in the country. Lawyers acting for the collapsed crypto exchange FTX have rebuked a $1.53 billion recovery claim from Three Arrow Capital's liquidators, arguing the losses result from a risky trading strategy that should not be paid for by creditors. Three Arrow Capital's liquidators initially filed a $120 million claim in FTX's bankruptcy case in June 2023 and expanded it to $1.53 billion in November 2024, alleging claims including breach of contract, fiduciary duty, and unjust enrichment. The liquidators aligned FTX held $1.53 billion in the hedge fund's assets that were liquidated to settle liabilities in 2022, contributing to Three Arrow Capital's collapse, arguing the transactions were avoidable and FTX debtors had delayed providing the information that would have uncovered the liquidation. The Solana Foundation has extended its streak of victories with the announcement of a partnership with Kazakhstan to establish a special economic zone. Dubbed the Solana Economic Zone, the collaboration brings Kazakhstan one step closer to its goals of digitization as Solana continues to court institutional interest. Now, members of the Solana Foundation converged in Kazakhstan to launch a Solana Economic Zone in collaboration with Ministry of Digital Development, Innovation and Aerospace Industry. According to an official report, parties signed a memorandum of understanding to roll out the Solana Economic Zone Kazakhstan, the first of its kind in Central Asia. Korea is aggressively pushing for the adoption of local currency-pegged stablecoins, as the global financial landscape is rapidly reshaping amid evolving regulatory frameworks. The new Lee Jae-myung administration strongly wants in on the $250 billion market for stablecoins as a strategic tool to bolster Korea's financial sovereignty and reduce reliance on rapidly growing foreign digital currencies. Notably, trading of stablecoins is surging in Korea. The total trading volume of three major stablecoins, USDT, USDC, USDS, on Korea's five major trading platforms reached $41.5 billion in the first quarter, according to the Bank of Korea data submitted to a lawmaker. Activity on Kraken's Ethereum Layer 2 network Ink has picked up sharply in the last few days, right before its token launch. The jump comes after the Ink Foundation announced the Ink token, which will have a fixed supply of 1 billion. Now, there's also a community airdrop planned set to go live through a liquidity pool on Aave. Since the announcement, the network has recorded more than 500,000 daily transactions. The number of active smart contracts on Ink has nearly doubled since May, hitting a high of 6,000 on June 18, according to Dune Analytics. Now, despite the rise in usage, the total value logged on the chain remains modest, still below $8 million. Payment, a fintech company specializing in democratizing access to premium alternative assets through blockchain technology, announced the launch of the SpaceX SPV token, introducing the first tokenized exposure to SpaceX on BNB chain. Now, this groundbreaking offering democratizes access to one of the world's most valuable private companies through innovative blockchain technology. The SPCX token represents a significant milestone in alternative investment accessibility, providing retail investors with exposure to SpaceX's exceptional growth trajectory. So, previously available only to institutional investors, SpaceX shares are now accessible through a professionally managed tokenized structure. A new research report on the stablecoin landscape reveals significant growth in business-to-business stablecoin payments. Monthly volumes have surged from under $100 million in early 2023 to over $3 billion by 2025, representing a 30-fold increase in just 2 years. So, the study, drawing on data from 20 leading fintech companies, including Reap, offers the most comprehensive insight to date into the global adoption of stablecoins for cross-border payments. Reap, Asia's leading stablecoin-enabled financial tech provider, is proud to have contributed transaction-level insights for the B2B segment, one of the fastest-growing use cases for stablecoins. Bitget, a leading crypto exchange, is now an official regional partner of MotoGP for select Grand Prix events in 2025. The collaboration will span across 4 major races: Italy, Germany, Spain, Barcelona, and Indonesia. This unique partnership connects the dynamic world of crypto trading with the high-octane precision of MotoGP. So, kicking off the partnership is Bitget's Make It Count campaign, starring 3-time MotoGP world champion Jorge Lorenzo. Known for his razor-sharp focus on the racetrack, Lorenzo embodies the mindset Bitget aims to inspire in traders: calculated decision-making, mental discipline, and strategic agility. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.